This is the question. This is the question. So, I have written here the question. How do we make present perfect continuous tense sentence? How do we make present perfect continuous tense sentence? So, here is also, I have written the answer. When we are going to make a sentence in present perfect tense, then we should use the helping verbs has been and have been. Has been and have been. And should add into the main verb. Into the main verb. So this is the answer for this question. How do we make a sentence in present perfect tense? Okay, this is the question. For this question, here is the answer. When we are going to make a sentence, in present perfect continuous tense, then we should use the helping verbs has been and have been. Has been and have been. And should add into the main verb. Add into the main verb. So this is the answer for this question. See here. And when should we use has been and when should we use have been? This is the second question. Okay. So has been and add in. This is the heading. So has been is always used with the third person singular. Third person singular. He, she, and it. Has been. The helping verb has been is always used with the third person singular. Third person singulars. Which are those? He, she, and it. For these three pronouns or these three persons, that is he, she, it. He, she, it. These persons are called third person singulars. Third person singulars. We should use has been only for these persons. Has been is always used with third person singulars. He, she, and it. So next is have been. Have been and add into the main verb. So next question rises. When should we use? To which person? Have been is used with which person? This is the question. So answer is here. Have been. Have been is always used with the first person singular or plural. Second person singular or plural. And third person plural. Third person plural. So it means have been is always used with first person singular I. First person singular I. And plural we. Second person singular or plural. It means you and you. You is the second person singular and you is also the plural of the second person. So for you also we use the helping verb have been and add into the main verb. Then third person plural also. Third person plural. Which is the third person plural? They. 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 So for third person plural, they. For this pronoun also, we use the helping verb have been and should add into the main verb. So this is the rule for to make a sentence in present perfect continuous tense sentence. You should remember the persons. You should remember the persons when you are going to make a sentence. You should remember which person. When you are writing a sentence, when you are making a sentence, then you should remember the persons. Already you know that which persons are called first person singular or plural, second person singular or plural, and third person singular and plural. Already I have given you. In the last class, you learned that. In the last class, already you have learned. Okay? So, first person singular is I. First person plural is we. Second person singular is you. Second person plural is you. And third person singular is he, she, it. And the plural for these three pronouns? They. Third person plural is they. They. So these are the pronouns. Okay? Do you understand? All of you understand? Okay, thank you.